if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, think you're something.
Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are doing great. Alright, this is a keto mukbang one-day meal. Everything in this table I cook myself, so I'm going to show you how much I eat in a day and what exactly I eat. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment and share. Please show me some love. I need your support. Please, because I want to do more better content. So I need your support. Comment, share and like my videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So do you know that if you subscribe to the channel, it's just free. You don't have to pay anything. So please subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Alright? Because I want to help people to lose weight or to eat better. Alright? This is my mission. It's my passion. Alright, on this table I've got grilled zucchini cheese sandwich. So delicious. I made it myself. I'm going to upload a video of this recipe soon on my YouTube channel. Then I've got chicken liver with thyme and chili peppers. And this is a salad with a bit of olive oil and sea salt. And then I've got this fantastic focaccia bread. This I got the video. I just made the video and I'm going to upload it on my YouTube channel. This focaccia is very nice. It's actually look like the real things. I use Vital with gluten, so it's not gluten free. But yeah, if you are interested in the recipe, I'm going to upload the video on my YouTube channel soon. Then I've got okra with a bit of chili and sea salt and olive oil. This is one of my favorite keto recipe. Very easy. But yeah, I've got also the recipe of this, so I'm going to upload that as well. And make sure if you are doing keto diet, make sure to drink plenty of water, at least 2 liters of water. So don't miss your water when you are doing keto, especially when you do keto diet. Then I got some biscuit. This is cookies is with cinnamon. Actually, these cookies taste like lotus biscuit. Yeah, this type of biscuits is very spicy. So yeah, I got the recipe. I'm going to upload on my YouTube. All of this I've got the recipe. All of this food I've got the recipe. I'm going to upload actually on my YouTube channel. Then I've got this one is a butter cookies. Very easy, simple cookies. And this is cookies with chocolate. I just decorated with some chocolate. This is dark chocolate, yeah, 85% dark. When I'm eating, I really like to start from the vegetables. So I'm going to start with this okra, and then I'm going to eat this salad. So yeah, fantastic. Oh my god, so delicious. I really love it because it's also helping me with the bowel problems. So yeah, if you struggle with your bowel, just have a big bowl of okra. It's super cheap in here in the UK. So yeah, buy some okra. Then I got some salad. This is easy. Got some salad. I love salad. I just put some olive oil and the sea salt. Let me try this one. Chicken liver. I've got iron problem, for this reason I eat chicken liver or even red meat because I got iron problems, so I need some meats in my life. I really love it. I prefer a vegetable than meat, but because of my iron problems, I got to eat red meat as well. Alright, I'm in the keto diet since last year, October, because I was struggled to lose weight. I was very, very heavy. So I was nearly 80 kilos. This is the grilled cheese zucchini sandwich. Oh my god, delicious. I prepared this recipe, but I didn't even eat it. I just eat today. It's so delicious. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh god. This is actually tastes like real bread, I can say. You just need some imagination, so everything is going to taste good. So keto is never boring. It's not a boring diet. There are so many recipes out there. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've got so many recipes here. So delicious and fantastic recipe, easy to prepare. Alright, let me try this focaccia bread. Let me try. Look. Oh my god. So soft. Squeezy, squeezy. So soft. Love it. It took me about 5 hours to do this red bread. Here I've got the biscuits. So if I'm going to take my time to do this mukbang, maybe it's going to last for about 2 hours, so I have to cut short. So yeah, let me skip to the dessert. So yeah, this is the cookies. Alright, go to eat this fantastic cookie with butter. This is the butter cookie, sorry. It's still very crunchy. I mean, this is with almond flour, so if you're allergic to almond flour, you cannot do this recipe. Oh god, I'm so happy to be in a keto diet and low carb, because you can eat so many things but you don't gain weight like you eat the carbs. I think this diet is work for me. I don't know if it's going to work for you, but it's worked for me. And if you have some issue like high blood pressure or something like that, or problem with your glucose, you can try this diet. Maybe it's going to help you. Maybe you ask your GP if you can do this diet. This is the Lotus biscuits or Biscoff. So yeah, with desserts I don't eat that much, just 2 biscuits, and alright. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. Tell me you're going to subscribe, please. I need your support. I really need your support. And comment, share and like. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.